Hello, dear lecturers. Today we are going to present our senior project presentation. In our study, we have conducted a market basket analysis using NIME data mining suite with the data set of an UK-based online retail store consisted of actual transactions from 2010 and 2011.
Here you can see the organization of our project. We will cover each segment in the upcoming slides. Firstly, we have explained what data mining and its application fields are, and then later on we have explained what market basket analysis is and how it's done with the a priori algorithm. We have included our dataset and explained the problems within our dataset, and then we have explained each step of our analysis on NIME. We have attached the computational results and interpreted these results. The comments on these results have also attached to the slides.
If we are to explain why we needed data mining basically, data storage areas have evolved with the growth of information technology. With this growth, it's been possible to store all sorts of data more broadly. It has become harder to make accurate and practical interpretations of those big data due to the data increase day by day. This need has been addressed by the data mining. Using the data mining models, several different studies and applications are performed in different fields.
So here you can see some of these fields are health, education, banking and finance, and marketing industry. In health industry, data mining is used to predict medical diagnosis. This has improved physicians' performance and make the diagnosis process more objective and more reliable. In education field, data mining could be used as a tool to improve our understanding of the learning process. Reviewing achievements as well as their deficiencies and explanations will improve the standard of education. In banking and finance, with the use of data mining tools, specific periods can be examined, customer reliability can be determined, and an estimate analysis of payment situations can be obtained. Our main focus will be the applications in marketing field. Data mining can help organizations to find best way to promote their products, services, and optimize their prices to become more competitive. One of the applications of market fields is market basket analysis, which is the main focus in our study.
Market basket analysis is a method of analysis of the connection between the products found in customers' shopping baskets and the determination of customer behavior when shopping at the market. Using market basket analysis, information can be obtained about products that customers buy simultaneously and have the potential to buy. The purpose of this analysis is to observe the behavior of customers in placing products in shopping baskets and to produce results with these data.
Association rule mining is used when we want to find an association between different objects in a set, find frequent patterns in a transaction database, relational databases, or any other information repository. The application of association rule mining are found in market basket analysis, in retailing, clustering, and classification. So in here, frequently bought together refers to association, and customers who bought this item has also bought this item refers to recommendation. A priori is an algorithm for frequent item set mining and association rule learning over relational databases. It proceeds by identifying the frequent individual items in the database and extending them to larger item sets as long as those item sets appear sufficiently often in the database. Here is some terms related with a priori algorithm, support and confidence. We will explain them further with an example in the upcoming slides. The support of an item X and Y is the ratio of transactions involving X and Y to the total number of transactions. The value of confidence means that records containing X will also contain Y.
Here we have a list of products along with their transaction IDs. 1 means the product has been bought and 0 means it's not. In this example, the confidence and support analysis of the products purchased together were made. If we assume that the transaction containing notebook pencil eraser also contains pencil eraser. So according to the principle of a priori, if notebook pencil eraser is frequent, then pencil eraser must also be frequent.
So here's the problem definition. In this study, in order to fully understand these customer habits and data associations, the function of market basket analysis was selected for study. Its aim to increase the impact of stock planning, campaigns, discounts, and sales by determining the association rules by finding frequently purchases products from dataset. For the sake of understanding and analyzing the products that has been bought together, and in order to understand the base of market basket analysis further, we have used KNIME Data Mining Suite to conduct a market basket analysis in this study. So in this study, we have provided our dataset on the Kaggle platform. This dataset includes all of the actual transactions from 2010 and 2011 from a UK-based online retail store. The products this retail store sells could be described as unique all occasion gifts. Wholesalers are the main customer base.
Here we can obtain the customer base by country. As we have mentioned before, it's an United Kingdom-based online retail store. That's why mainly the customers are from the United Kingdom. The top 20 countries based on the invoice numbers has been shown in this graph. Mostly the customers base is Europe-based. However, there are countries like Japan and Channel Island.
So here we can obtain the sample database in order to explain each variable. So invoice number is a unique number that declares a customer invoice and is used to track the payment. Stock code is for each product type that is assigned with a unique number separately so that the products or services in a company's inventory do not mix with each other and inventory tracking could be easily carried out. Description is basically the title of the product. Quantity is the quantity for each product purchased by customer. Invoice date is the exact time and dates of a receipt of this product. Unit price is the price of each unit of a product. Customer ID is a unique number to define each customer, and country is the country of the customer who has made this purchase.
We will use KNIME Data Mining Suite in order to perform market basket analysis on the data mentioned. Using KNIME Data Mining Suite, we will cleanse the data from missing and unwanted values that might affect the final results. After that, we will use the association rule mining and the a priori algorithms to reach the results. We use the KNIME Data Mining Suite in this study to get the results and analyze the data. KNIME Analytic Platform is the open source software for creating the data science. Intuitive, open and continuously integrating new developments. KNIME makes understanding data and designing data science workflows and reusable components accessible to everyone. An application designed to obtain new predictions or predict new formations is the discovery of hidden potential in data. KNIME has a large number of machine learning and data mining components with the process line structure that we can refer to as modules, which are called nodes in the application. Detailed operations without writing code can be performed through nodes. The related nodes operate in flow order and their rotation is controlled by the console.
So we had to cleanse the data in order to achieve accurate results. Since it's an online retail website, there were multiple problems occurred during the warehouse process. Many of the products were no longer suitable for selling. Some products have gotten wet, moldy, and rusty, and some of them were missing. Thus, those products had to thrown away, and they were included in the same dataset, entered as a negative value. The invoice number of the products that had to be thrown away is starting with the capital letter C. The examples of the data with the descriptions for defected products and the products have been entered with a negative value are given here. And there are some products where, although suitable for sale, may have been lost during the storage process or shipping process. These sort of products have been entered as missing in their description. The example of the data with descriptions for missing products are given here. And there were some other types of products with missing values in description, and those values has been entered as manual in their description. These examples are given to show this sort of data.
In here, the model that we have created in order to conduct the market basket analysis is given. We will explain each of these nodes in the upcoming slides one by one. Shortly, Excel Reader node is used to upload the data. We have used rule-based row filter in order to clean the data from the incorrect values that was mentioned previously. Row filters has been used to clean the data from missing values. With group by node, we have customer information as concluded in just one line. Because in initial value, the transaction for each customer has been indicated separately. Cell splitter node is used to list the data. Item set finder association rule learner has been used to conclude the market basket analysis with a priori algorithm.
As we have mentioned before, some complication has occurred throughout warehousing and shipping processes. This has resulted with the data entered incorrectly, and this data could have affected the accuracy of final results. So we have used a rule-based row filter to write mathematical expressions to eliminate this data. We have set the values, which includes invoice numbers with capital C, and negative quantity values and descriptions with manual to false, and then we have only included the true matches.
We had to use the row filters twice in order to eliminate the data with the missing values. We had to use it twice because we can only cleanse the missing values from one column. Since in order to conduct the market basket analysis, we have to group customer ID and description in one line. We have cleaned the missing values from these data. In the first row filter, the missing values in customer ID, and in the second row filter, the missing values in description has been eliminated.
To conduct a market basket analysis, we need to list the purchases of the customers one by one. In the initial data, since the descriptions were listed individually, the purchases made by customers were listed separately. Group by node has been used to overcome this problem. From the aggregation settings, we have used concatenate to group these purchases.
This is the last step of data preparation. We have used the cell split node in order to turn this group data as a list. Otherwise, conducting the market analysis wouldn't be possible since the item set finder and the association rule learner nodes can process only the list data type.
Now that the data is ready to process, we are ready to conduct the market basket analysis using the item set finder and the association rule learner nodes. So item set finder node provides a combination set that can be obtained using the a priori and the different algorithms in its content. In this study, a priori has been used since it's the algorithm behind market basket analysis. In association rule learner node, the minimum support value has been assigned. The smaller the minimum support value, the more accurate results will be obtained from the study.
After examining the results, it was determined that the percentage of products bought together was at most 50%. The final result has attached in these slides. As you can see, rule confidence is 50% at most, which indicates there is 50% chance if someone bought the consequent would buy the antecedent. For example, as you can see here, the customer has bought the round snack boxes set of 4 Woodland, so there is 50% chance that his customer has also bought the round snack boxes set of 4 Fruits.
So, after examining the final results, it was determined that the percentage of products bought together was at least 10%. The final results has attached in the slide. As you can see, the rule confidence is at least 10%, which indicates there is a 10% chance if someone bought the consequent would buy the antecedent. This percentage value indicates to the fact that if a customer has bought the product name Alarm Clock Bake Like Orange, there is a 10% chance that the same customer has also bought the Alarm Clock Bake Line Red.
As a result of this analysis, we can make some suggestions to United Kingdom-based online retail store. For example, a promotion can be such as among the sets of products bought together, giving the cheapest product for free of charge. Sales of the least sold products can be increased by creating a campaign basket between the least sold products and the most sold products together.
It can be made easier for the customer to reach these products by adding catalogs of the most commonly co-purchased products higher up on the website. For the products with a high number of individual sales but not in combinations, campaigns can be created and new associations can be provided. Thank you for your time and your contribution in these 4 years.